Hi, so this is Francisca, and I'm going to show you today how to incorporate Learn 360 into your Moodle course. Learn 360 is a website that has many videos that are useful for your students. So the first thing you need to do is log into the Adult Ed Courses website to get to your Moodle course. So I'm going to do the adultedcourses.org. And then once I'm here, I need to make sure that I'm logged in, which I still am, and I can see up here that I am logged in. Otherwise, you would need to log in first. And then what I'm going to do is go down to Jefferson, where I have a test course, and Jefferson Adult Education. It's grayed out because it's not visible to other people, but it's a site that I use to demonstrate and to just practice things in Moodle. So once I'm in here, actually my editing is turned on already, but if you go in, I'm going to turn it off just so you can see the difference. So if it looks like this, then the first thing you need to do is turn the editing on. And that's really your first step in any kind of editing you do within your Moodle course. And then I'm going to just scroll down a little bit, and here you have add an activity or resource. So you wouldn't see this if you weren't in the editing mode. So I'm going to add an activity or a resource. And for adding a video, I like using the page. You could also do assignment as another option. But I'm going to go down to resources and choose page. So I click on that, click add. And then I have to give it a name. Learn 360 demo and a brief description. This description doesn't appear anywhere else, so you just put that in there. And then this is where it says page content. This is where I need to put my video. And in any of the modules where you have this toolbar, you have the media icon button. So you could add video really to any of the modules where you have this. But in this case, we're in the page module. So I'm going to click on the media button. And we don't have a URL, so I'm going to browse repositories. So one of the repositories is, you'll see right at the bottom, is Learn 360. And once I have this, I just need to put in a topic. So let's just put job interviews. I'm going to choose that, and then I just click search. And once I'm in here, it's giving me 95 results, which is quite a bit. And you can view by, it gives you options of how you want to look at it, just by title, by titles and segments. I'm doing titles and segments, relevance, content type, if you're doing video, subject. Here, if you wanted to look under something else, you could do that. So if I do careers, job search, now it actually brought up a few other things, different results. And as I scroll down, I can choose which one I want to use. So I will go back up to the top one, the preparation, how to prepare for a job interview. And all I have to do to get into my Moodle course is click the embed button. If I want to preview, I can also do that. But well, let's just click the embed button, and when I click that, it says select this file. I click that, and it automatically, as soon as I click insert media, notice how the URL is here now, insert media, and my video is inserted. Now in this mode, when you're still in the edit mode, you just see the link here, but you don't see the actual video. So you need to save it, and we're going to save and display so we can see what it looks like. So I'm going to click Save and Display, and then give it just a second, and there's your video. And so when students go in here, they can just click on the play button, and they'll be able to watch and listen to the video. So it's really quite easy and a really useful resource. You can build lessons around it, quizzes around it. You have a lot of options. So that's all about Learn 360. Thank you.